Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about some topics in our bridge course class, right? Now students, today you know that you are promoted to 4th to 5th. Before going to 5th, just we are going to recall few of the concepts which we have learned in a last year through bridge course. I hope all of you ready for the class. Today we discuss about some question answers. The first main question is multiple choice. Now first one, moon is a natural satellite of the dash. Moon is a natural satellite of the dash. Options are Mercury, Venus, Mars and Earth. Answer is Earth. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Second one, the movement of the Earth around the Sun is a fixed path is called dash. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is a fixed path is called dash. Rotation, revolution, movement and spin. Answer is revolution. Next one. Dash is the coldest planet. Dash is the coldest planet. Options are Uranus, Pluto, Neptune and Saturn. The correct option is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet. Next one. The Earth is also called dash planet. The Earth is also called dash planet. Options are blue, green, red and yellow. The correct option is blue. The Earth is also called blue planet. Next one. Snow is the dash form of water. Snow is the dash form of a water. Options are solid, liquid, gas and plasma. The correct option is solid. Snow is the solid form of a water. Next one. During filtration, dash impurities are trapped on the filter candle. During filtration, dash impurities are trapped on the filter candle. Options are liquid, gas, solid, none of these. The correct option is solid. During filtration, solid impurities are trapped on the filter candle. Next one. Dash is a natural habitat of fish. Dash is a natural habitat of fish. Options are terrestrial, desert, aerial and aquatic. The correct option is aquatic. Aquatic means water. Water is a natural habitat of fish. Okay. Next one. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called dash. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called dash. Options are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, none of these. Answer is omnivorous. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous animals. Next one. Dash is a flightless bird. Dash is a flightless bird. Options are eagle, emu, vulture and hawk. The correct answer is emu. Emu is a flightless bird. Next one. Dash is a plant fiber. Dash is a plant fiber. Options are silk, hemp, wool, all of these. The correct option is hemp. Hemp is a plant fiber. Next, dash is a synthetic fiber. Dash is a synthetic fiber. Options are jute, silk, wool and rayon. The correct option is rayon. Rayon is a synthetic fiber. Next one. It takes dash days for the earth to complete one revolution. It takes dash days for the earth to complete one revolution. Options are 365. Next is 365 half, 364 and 365 1/4. The correct answer is 365 1/4. It takes 365 1/4 days for the earth to complete one revolution. Next one. Dash is caused by bacteria. Dash is caused by bacteria. Options are malaria, influenza, tuberculosis and ringworm. The correct answer is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria. Next one. The plant grow under water is dash. The plant grows under water is dash. Options are hydrilla, duckweed, pistia and hyacinth. The correct option is hydrilla. The plant grows under water is hydrilla. Next one. Plants respire through small opening is called dash. Plants respire through small opening is called dash. Options are lungs, gills, stomata and skin. The correct option is stomata. Plants respire through small opening is called stomata. Next one. A bat is a mammal. A bat is a dash. Options are bird, mammal, reptile, amphibian. The correct option is mammal. A bat is a mammal. Next one. There are dash temporary teeth in a child. There are dash temporary teeth in a child. Options are 19, 20, 21 or 23. The correct option is 20. There are 20 temporary teeth in a child. Next question. Dash are pointed teeth. Dash are pointed teeth. Options are molar, premolar, incisors and canines. The correct option is canines. Canines are pointed teeth. Next one. The force applied by our muscles is called dash. The force applied by our muscles is called dash. Options are gravitational force, frictional force, muscular force, none of these. The correct option is muscular force. The force applied by our muscles is called muscular force. Next, true or false? First one. All birds can fly. All birds can fly. False. Second, frog hibernate in winter. Frog hibernate in winter. That statement is true. Third, the sun revolves around the earth. The sun revolves around the earth. That statement is false. Sun is not revolving around the earth. Earth and other planets, they are revolving around the sun. Fourth one, the planet Earth is nearest to the sun. The planet Earth is nearest to the sun. No, that is false. Mercury is nearest to the sun, not the earth. So here that statement is false. Fifth one, we must grow as many trees as possible. We must grow as many trees as possible. Yes, that is true. Sixth one, the midrib is an unimportant part of the leaf. The midrib is an unimportant part of the leaf. Here that statement is false. It is also an important part of the leaf. Seventh, mushroom is a type of fungus. Mushroom is a type of fungus. That is true. Next one, chlorophyll present in the leaf traps the sunlight. Chlorophyll present in the leaf traps the sunlight. That statement is true. Next one, croton is a green plant. Croton is a green plant? No, it is not a green plant. Okay, it is a non-green plant. So here that statement is false. Next one, the dentine has blood vessels. The dentine has blood vessels. That statement is false. Next question, main question number 3, fill in the blanks. Animals depend on plants for dash. Animals depend on plants for dash. Options are water, carbon dioxide and oxygen. The correct option is oxygen. Animals depend on plants for oxygen. Second, cacti grow in dash. Cacti grow in dash. Options are water, desert and marsh, means marshy area. Okay, the correct option is desert. Cacti grow in desert. Third, deciduous trees grow in the dash. Deciduous trees grow in the dash. Options are mountains, plains and desert. The correct option is plains. Deciduous trees grow in the plains. Next one. Fourth, the young frog is called a dash. The young frog is called a dash. Options are tadpole, nymph and pupa. The correct option is tadpole. The young frog is called a tadpole. Next one, fifth. The dash gives birth to a baby. The dash gives birth to a baby. Options are crocodile, sparrow and dolphin. The correct option is dolphin. The dolphin gives birth to a baby. Next, breaking down of food. into simpler forms is called dash. Breaking down of food into simpler forms is called dash. Options are respiration, digestion and circulation. The correct option is digestion. Breaking down of food into simpler forms is called digestion. 7th, digestion starts in the dash. Digestion starts in the dash. Options are stomach, small intestine and mouth. The correct option is mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. Next, 8th one. Yeast used by bakers is a type of dash. Yeast used by bakers is a type of dash. Options are fungus, virus and bacteria. The correct option is fungus. Yeast used by bakers is a type of fungus. Next, 9th. Dash is the hardest part in the human body. Dash is the hardest part in the human body. Options are dentine, animal and pulp. The correct answer is animal. Is the hardest part in the human body. Next, 10th. Dash is a migratory bird. Dash is a migratory bird. Options are eagle, flamingo and ostrich. The correct option is flamingo. Flamingo is a migratory bird. Next, 11th. The gas released during photosynthesis is dash. The gas released during photosynthesis is dash. Options are oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. The correct option is oxygen. The gas released during photosynthesis is oxygen. Now, main question number 4. Circle the odd one. First one, koala bear, crow, chameleon and lizard. The correct answer is crow. Okay. Once again listen. Koala bear, crow, chameleon and lizard. The correct answer is crow. Second, toad, salamander, frog and octopus. Toad, salamander, frog and octopus. The correct answer is octopus. Third one, penguin, kiwi, ostrich and eagle. Penguin, kiwi, ostrich and eagle. The correct answer is octopus. Penguin, kiwi, ostrich and eagle. The correct option is eagle, sorry. Okay. Next one, polar bear, horse, goat and deer. Polar bear, horse, goat and deer. The correct answer is polar bear. Now next question is name the following. An animal that lives on the land and also in water. An animal that lives on land and also in water. Answer is amphibians. An animal that lives on the land and also in water, they are amphibians. Next one, animals that lay eggs with soft leathery shells. Dash. Animals that lay eggs with soft leathery shells are dash. Answer is lizards. Next, a mammal that lives in the water. A mammal that lives in the water. That is whale. A mammal that lives in water, it is whale. Next one, fourth, the dwarf planet. The dwarf planet. Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Next, fifth one, a red planet. A red planet. Answer is Mars. Mars is a red planet. Next, sixth one, the biggest planet. The biggest planet. Answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is a biggest planet. Next one, the brightest planet. The brightest planet. Answer is Venus. Venus is a brightest planet. So students, I think all of you understand. Students, you recall all these question answers for your bridge course exam. I hope all of you understood. Thank you students.